If you've talked to me for a hot minute, you know that I am super passionate about people becoming homeowners and not wasting their money on rent. So I want to just give you a little tour of this adorable house on Jamet Road in Dade City, in the Riverdale subdivision. This is not my listing. I do not know the other agent, although I have been texting with her, and I do have her permission to show the property on social media. And I am not doing it for a referral fee or anything like that. I just want to show you guys what the possibilities are. So I also hear a lot from renters that, oh, we don't know where we want to live yet. We're not quite ready to make that commitment. Make the commitment for a year. In this market, you're not going to have a problem reselling your house next year. You're not going to have a problem renting it, most likely. So this is such a great opportunity. So this is, I think 972 square feet. It is listed as a 3-bedroom. It has 1 bathroom, and I don't know the property square footage, but I'll put a link to the listing with this video. Let's be candid. It's not brand new construction in Wesley Chapel, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom with a 2-car garage. But it is currently listed for $167 and $5,000 credit towards closing costs, which means that with your taxes and insurance, your mortgage is less than $1,000. What are you paying in rent? I guarantee you it's not $1,000. So if you'd like to see this house in person, just send me a message and I'd be happy to schedule a showing.